This video I'm going to change the blade on a Ryobi chainsaw model RY40508 and I'm using a 62DL 3/8 LP.05 18-inch chain. This model has a tool to change the blade inserted to the bottom rear of the chainsaw, so I will just pull it out to begin. Then I'll take that tool to unbolt the plastic piece on the right side. And with that piece off, I can remove the bar and chain so I can add the new one. On the side of the bar there is a little diagram printed that shows how the chain should go on, as well as some information about what size it uses. So I will make sure I match the chain to the diagram and then just tightly wrap it around the bar. I start from the top and work my way down both sides. Then I put the bar back on by guiding the slot around the bolts and wrapping the rear of the chain around the drive sprocket. And now I need to make sure this adjusting block goes into the hole on the bar that is labeled for it, which can be rather difficult if you have it tightened too much. So here I loosen the block with the flat head end of the tool until it goes down into the hole. Then I push the plastic side piece down and put both of the nuts back on the two bolts. And after tightening them back up, I need to tighten the chain before I use it, and I do that by using the flat head end of the tool again and turn towards the plus side shown on the plastic piece. If you periodically pull out on the chain while doing this, you can feel when you have it tight enough and ready to use again. And once I have all the slack in the chain out, I tighten up the bolts one last time and then put the battery in to run it a couple of times to make sure the chain is on all the way. Now that I'm done changing the blade, I'll put the tool back into the rear of the chainsaw for next time I need to take it apart. The last thing I want to show here is what happens if you try to install a blade that isn't designed for the chainsaw. I had a spare 18-inch blade for my other chainsaw, but it wasn't the same specs, so the teeth didn't fit down into the bar. So the chain stuck out quite a bit, especially on the end. Hopefully this video has helped, and feel free to ask any questions that you still may have in the comments. Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe for more quick and on-point videos.